There's a revolution going on in the driver's cab as proprietary GSMR technology gives way to the future rail communication system FRMCS. So let's take a look where Advantech's playing in the next generation cab. First of all, data is collected from all over the train from thousands of sensors and transmitted using low power technology like LoRaWAN to a gateway in the driver's cab. The gateway is connected to a switch which takes the data to a server where all of the sensor data is collected and stored. This is also the server used for the communication technology like push-to-talk from our partner Kapsch. The switch is also powering PoE cameras for safety and security applications. And the driver will then see all of the data from the sensors as well as from the camera on his display, which is a touch panel computer. And he will use this to control the communications if he wants to make a phone call, for example, to his base. Advantech is present, therefore, throughout the train and in the driver's cab of the future. All of these products are certified 50155 for rail use.